Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art. I'm Zelda from the Fairy Realm and today we're going to seal our rock or our stone. Now what I'm going to be using for this is heavy duty gloss varnish. If you want to put your rock or your stone outside, then I would suggest that you use an outdoor sealer and then just give it 2 layers just to make sure that it's sealed against the weather, against the sun and the rain and all of that. So, but this one's going to be indoor, and as you can see it still has my chalk lines on there, and as soon as I brush the sealer on, it vanishes like magic in front of your eyes. So you don't have to worry about getting rid of the chalk lines, because as soon as you seal it, it automatically disappears. Okay. I'm gonna need to wait for that to dry, and then I can do the other side as well. But yeah, this varnish also clears dry. This is a water-based varnish that I'm using. And to me, it's all I need to seal this. Like I said, if you want to leave it outdoor, then you can just use an outdoor sealer, which will probably, I don't know, maybe it'll be well-based. I'm not quite sure. But I just wanted to show you how to quickly seal it. Just brush it on with a big brush, and because this is water based, I can just go and wash my brush with water. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay dotty, stay magical, keep well. Bye bye.
Every single